right, we're gonna set up some curtains that are really simple to set up. All right. So what you want to do is make sure that you have access to this Velcro to remove here, because we're gonna actually set it up right now. Let me cut this through first. So I'm gonna release this part right here, and this is the back end. All right. So we're gonna do the front. Look, not only an Allen wrench. That's all you need. Set this up high. Open these up. Get them as much as you can. Open the Velcro. Start spinning this thing so it can start tightening up. All right, I miscalculated a little bit off, but I actually added a piece of wood so it could level it, because I measured the bottom, I didn't measure the top. The top's a little bit off. So I just added a little piece of wood, and that's part. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Then put this in there, pushing it. There we go. Locking in place now. There it goes. That thing is not going to go anywhere. All you got to do is bring it down. There you go. So when I bought this, I calculated the bottom instead of the top. But look at this thing. No tools needed unless you're like me. That's the only thing. But other than that, and then you can push this up even higher, all the way to the top. And if you want to make it tighter, you can actually add another piece of wood, but it is perfect as it is. And I'm gonna show you how to bring it up and down. So let me go ahead and put the camera down for a bit and show you guys. So bringing it up, look, all the way down, and then you go up. Just a little snag, that's all it is, all right? Again. And I think I'm gonna cut it half just so you won't see the piece of wood, but for now, it does the job. So very simple, bringing it down, straight down. It's all blacked out, so nobody's gonna see in or out, which is perfect, just the way I like it, because I wanna make sure that when I'm streaming in here or doing something, working on my computer, nobody's gonna see me from the outside. It's perfect. So just take measurements, and if you mess up like I do, you can always add a piece of wood. I actually got a larger one, but I'm gonna take it off tomorrow and cut it so I could have right measurement, but it's a little late to do that right now. So, but very simple out of the box. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.